Today, we are making DG, Director General, one of Cameroon's most famous meal, which was inspired by luxury, celebration, and a love for good food. This meal is believed to have been prepared for people in high-ranking positions, but today, you don't have to be a Director General to enjoy it. You can make this delicious meal right in your own kitchen. So, if you have always wanted to make the perfect Cameroonian DG, or this is your first time hearing about DG, stay with me until the very end because I'll be sharing a few simple tips that makes all the difference. For today's recipe, we will need chicken, ripe plantain, carrots and green beans, a mix of parsley, celery, basil, scallion, and bell pepper, fresh tomatoes, white pepper, garlic, ginger, and black pepper, seasoning cubes, vegetable oil, and salt. I'll begin this cooking process by blending my green spices and onion. This is because I will use some of the paste to marinate the chicken. This is where the flavorful DG starts, with a well-seasoned meat. Pour in your chicken in a pot and add seasoning cube. Then come in with your blended green spices. Add some white pepper, some garlic and ginger paste, and salt. Massage all those beautiful spices into the chicken. If you have time, let it marinate for 30 minutes. This small step gives the chicken a much richer flavor. Now, cook until it becomes tender. While the chicken is cooking, let's prepare the other ingredients. We'll go ahead and peel our plantain. I washed the plantains already, so they are very clean. After peeling the plantain, I'll go ahead to slice the plantains in rounds. You can slice in any shape that you want, but I prefer this one because it's easier for my children to eat. After slicing them, I'll set them aside and continue with the other ingredients. I'll go ahead now to slice my carrots. Some people prefer their carrots to be longer, while some choose theirs to be shorter. Just do what works for you. Then I'll move over and continue cutting my green beans. Then the tomatoes. And finally, the bell pepper. I don't like the seeds in the bell pepper, so I try to remove them before cutting them into tiny pieces. Once the chicken is cooked, remove and place it in a strainer to drain out all the water. Keep the chicken stock aside for later use. Heat some oil and fry the plantain until they become beautifully golden. You don't want them too dark because they will continue absorbing the flavor when we mix everything together later. Once that beautiful golden color has been achieved, remove them and place them in a strainer. Let the excess oil drain. One secret to a perfect DG is using ripe but firm plantain. Very soft plantains can fall apart when everything is mixed together. Now it's time to fry the chicken. I'll use the very oil I use for my plantain to fry the chicken. I'll allow it to fry in the oil for about 5 minutes. Then I'll flip the sides. I'll flip the sides now. Look at that golden brown color. Then I'll wait for 5 more minutes and remove the chicken. Now comes the heart of this recipe. In a large pot, add a little oil. Then saute the onion until soft and fragrant. Next, I'll pour in my tomatoes and allow everything to simmer patiently until the sauce thickens and the oil begins to separate. Wow, this is the perfect texture. I'll go ahead and add the remaining blended green spices, more ginger and garlic paste, some white pepper, salt, and seasoning cube. I'll give it a good mix and pour in my green beans and carrots. Look at that beautiful color. After mixing it, I'll go ahead and add the chicken stock that I set aside. The stock gives the sauce even more richness. We are almost done. This is where all the magic happens. Now, gently add the fried chicken into the sauce. Coat every single piece with that rich tomato mixture. Guys, the weather was not so good when I was cooking this meal, and the light I was using was not doing justice, so I had to look for an extra source of light. Look at that, just look at that. Next comes the fried plantain. Carefully pour the plantain into the pot. Be gentle. You want every piece of the plantain covered with sauce without breaking it apart. Let everything cook together for just 2 to 3 minutes. Our beautiful Cameroonian DG is ready. Look at those vibrant colors. Tender chicken, sweet golden plantains, fresh vegetables. Every bite is packed with an incredible flavor. This is comfort food at its finest. Honestly, once you make DG this way, you will understand why it has become one of Cameroon's most celebrated dish. If you have never tried making DG at home before, I hope this inspired you to give it a try. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel and share to friends and family. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.